Have you noticed any specific way that's most effective in people actually leaving a review? So like whether it's asking them in person or it's putting it in the email request or whatever, what's the most effective way secure the review?
Is to ask them in person on the last, like when I'm remodeling a home, I'm rolling my drop cloth up, I'm backing out the front door. They are so happy they don't have to see me again tomorrow. I'm like, hey, it would really help me out a lot, and it would help other people to know what it was like to work with us. Would you please leave us a review on Google? Everyone says yes. Cool. Can you pull out your phone real quick? I'll help you do it. It'll take like 10 seconds. Oh, I don't have a Google account. It's super easy. We can get one made. Like, just give me your phone. I'll do it. Like, don't leave the house without the review because it's so hard to get it later. Yeah, they'll forget. Or we had this elderly lady try to leave a review like 4 times, and she would write the whole thing, but she didn't know you had to click the stars, and so it wouldn't let her submit it. So it's like there's a million reasons why they can't do it, forget, they can't figure it out, whatever. So getting it in person. And then if you work with other contractors or vendors, a good way to do it is to go leave them a review and then be like, hey, check it out. Send them like a screenshot or a picture. Hey, I left you guys a really good review. Here's my link. Please return the favor. I've never had anybody not leave a review immediately.
Follow-up to review question. I've heard that leaving a review with a picture is more, and maybe that was Amazon, I can't remember, but leaving a review with a picture is more, it ranks better, or it makes your company look better than,
yeah, definitely.
Nope, okay.
Yeah, the more content, the better. Yeah, the picture reviews are great. Oh, another tip for reviews, if you have employees, is offer like $20 for every review that mentions you by name. And that way they're not only asking for reviews, but they're like watching them. They're like, you got to put my name in it. Help me out. Come on, I need $20. It's totally worth $20 to get a review. You're not allowed to pay customers for reviews, but I think you could pay employees. Oh, here's another cool tip for like plumbers. This one's so good. So you get stickers with like a tracking number on it. So it's a number that's only on these stickers. And then even if you just go do an estimate or you just go inspect something, you slap a sticker like on the back of their toilet or on their water heater, and then you pull them in and you're like, hey, break out your phone, take a picture of this sticker, because this is a special VIP number. If you call this, you go to the front of the line. It's its own phone. You don't have to deal with anybody else. You go straight to us and we'll take care of you first. And so now they have this special phone number on their phone that they can have on them 24/7 and they can send to people.
For like service calls and stuff?
Yeah, for anything. It's like, this is our VIP number. Yeah, for the price of a sticker. Everybody slaps stickers on, but the key is it's VIP, and make them get a picture of it on their phone. I have a client who sells windows, and he doesn't like give them a physical estimate. He goes in, he gives them the whole spiel, shows them the pictures on his iPad. He writes the price down on the back of his business card, and then he has them snap a picture of it, or he puts it on his business card. Snap a picture of it, and then he takes the business card. So they don't even have it. It's just on their phone. And then he'll have people like a year later be like, we're ready to do windows. Oh yeah, that guy made me take a picture. And then they have it. Yeah, he does that all day long. The phone, this is like a magical thing because everybody has this on them all the time. It's like a permanent record. So they'll lose the invoice in 10 seconds. They'll forget the stickers on the toilet, but having it on their phone, that's the key.